I was recently asked how things changed in digital analytics during an economic downturn or a potential recession. I wrote a long blog post about this, but I'll share some of the highlights here. A downturn really gives you a great opportunity to focus on the metrics and properties and dimensions that really matter for your business. People tend to over implement when times are good and they track way too much stuff and it kind of gets lost in the noise. So use a downturn to focus on the metrics and properties and dimensions that really matter for your business. Maybe even after the downturn, think about cutting some things out. Second, along the same lines, skip the vanity metrics. Unique visitors, page views, visits, you have to have them, but they're really not super critical at all times to your business. And no one during a downturn really cares about unique visitors. So, again, focus on the metrics that matter during this time. Another thing I find is that organizations tend to treat digital analytics as a cost of the business instead of a profit center. While you should always do this, a downturn is a great time to think about what are the analyses that we're doing and how are we getting ROI? How is the investment we're making in digital analytics and data helping the business? And use the downturn as a great way to quantify how you're having an impact on the business, especially when times are tough. And again, keep doing this after the downturn is over. Another thing that you can do is experiment. Experimentation is something you should always be doing, but you should double down on this now because it's a great way to easily see things that are working, not working, and show the value of different tests and get rid of stuff that isn't working, double down on things that are working. And then lastly, a lot of times in digital analytics, we have a big emphasis on acquisition, and we do that through paid advertising. Paid advertising is great, but the downturn is a great opportunity to try some risks. Maybe try cutting back on some of the advertising and see if the impacts are really that negative. Maybe you're overspending on advertising and you'll find that out during a downturn. So, just some quick tips to help you out during a recession. Thanks so much.